What do you know about affiliate program? And what are the major pet affiliate programs that pay the best? Well, we are here to find out. If you are a pet lover or you own a pet website, you may at one point consider being an affiliate marketer for pet products. Therefore, it is important to do your research and find the right fit for you and your pet-loving audience before you sign up for any pet affiliate program. Do you know that the Affiliate Marketing Zone is here to guide you on every step about the affiliate program? What does an affiliate program mean? Affiliate programs are automated electronic programs or arrangements in which an online merchant pays affiliate websites a commission to send them traffic. What it means is that these affiliate websites post links to the merchant site and are paid according to BBC, a particular agreement. Most times, the agreement is based on the number of people the affiliate sends to the merchant site or the number of people referred by them to perform some other action. Another arrangement pays the affiliate by the number of people who visit the page containing their merchant site's banner advertisement. Do you want an excellent way to sell products online? Then recruit affiliates. Though it can be a cheap and effective marketing strategy, it's a good way to get the word out about your site. Affiliate programs cannot be discussed without talking about the parties involved in the transaction. The parties include the customer, the affiliate site, the merchant site. Also, there are three basic types of affiliate program paying arrangements. They are pay-per-sale. A typical example of this type of pay-per-sale arrangement is Amazon.com affiliate program. Some merchant websites pay the affiliate a percentage of the sale and others pay a fixed amount per sale. Pay-per-lead. Companies with this type of payment arrangement pay the affiliate with the number of visitors they refer who sign up as leads. This simply means that the visitors fill out some requested information at the merchant site, which the merchant site may use as a sales lead or sale to another company as a sales lead. Pay-per-click. In this type of affiliate program, the merchant site pays the affiliate based on the number of visitors who click on the link to come to the merchant site. They don't have to buy anything, and it doesn't matter to the affiliate what a visitor does once he gets to the merchant site. The 10 pet affiliate programs that pay best. Now let's look at the 10 pet affiliate programs that pay the best. Number 1. HepperCat Affiliate Program. This affiliate program is one of the top pet affiliate programs and an excellent way to earn money while promoting stylish and quality products for cats. As a HepperCat affiliate, you'll earn a commission on every sale you refer to HepperCat. You'll earn a 12% starting commission rate and their average order size is $60 plus, which is great. The most interesting part is that there's no limit to how much you can earn. The more sales you generate, the higher your commission will be. Are you passionate about cats, or do you know someone who is and is committed to providing them with the best products? Then join the HepperCat affiliate program today. The benefits attached to joining this program include 12% starting commission rate, 30-day cookie duration, access to helpful resources that will enable you to successfully promote Hepper products. Number 2. Petco Cat Affiliate Program. If you are interested in promoting a wide range of high-quality pet food, supplies, and services to keep pets happy and healthy, you should definitely start promoting the Petco Cat Affiliate Program. When you become an associate, you will be given a unique link that you can use to promote Petco products on your website. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. Joining is absolutely free and easy, and you will get to enjoy exclusive discounts and offers that aren't available to the general public. That sounds interesting, right? Number 3. Chewy Affiliates. This affiliate program is one of the best dog affiliate programs that enables bloggers to earn commissions on sales they generate. This affiliate program offers a wide range of pet products, including toys, foods, and supplements. And you will also earn a commission on every sale generated through your link. Are you a passionate animal lover and want to help others find the best products for their pets? Then the Chewy Affiliate Program is a great opportunity for you. Best of all, the program is free to join and easy to get started. The benefits of joining the Chewy affiliate program include $15 per new customer order commission for every sale, 15-day cookie duration, free shipping over $49, and 30% off your first auto ship purchase. Number 4. Ollie Affiliate Program. Are you a blogger, influencer, or pet lover? Then Ollie is definitely the perfect affiliate program for you to earn some extra money. You can earn $60 per successful order. As an affiliate, you'll earn a commission on all purchases made through your website banners and affiliate links. The best part of it is that for every box of Ollie sold, they donate some percentage of their profits to a dog in need. Some of the benefits of joining Ollie affiliate program are $60 per order, 30 days cookie, access to latest news, and exclusive offers to promote as an affiliate. Number 5. Holly's Tap It Affiliate Program. This is a high conversion rate pet affiliate program. If you sign up for the Holly's Tap It affiliate program, you can earn commissions on every purchase made by people who click on your affiliate links. It offers a huge 35% commission with a 30-day tracking cookie on all click-through activity. With this program, you also have access to brand promos. Number 6. Rover Affiliate Program. This is one of the most popular pet care websites in the world. When looking to promote an industry-leading pet affiliate program, you should consider Rover. It also offers hefty commission rates of up to 15% on each sale. They also offer a 30-day cookie duration, and it's the world's largest network of pet sitters and dog walkers. Signing up for this program is also free. Number 7. Caesar's Way Affiliate Program. Caesar's Way is the official website of the world's top dog behavior expert Cesar Millan, with over 25 years of experience in the field of dog behavior. Once you sign up for this affiliate program, you can promote Cesar Millan's best-selling books, dog leashes, dog grooming tools, dog toys, and more. The benefits attached to joining Caesar's Way affiliate includes 70% commission on every sale, 90 days cookie duration, access to custom offer, promo materials. Number 8. My Pet Warehouse. This is one of Australia's largest online pet retailers. They offer a 6.5% commission per sale. They also offer a wide range of specialty pet supplies and accessories that you can promote as an affiliate. Their products include pet food, toys, and supplies. When you become an affiliate, you will have access to promotional materials that you can use to direct traffic to their site. They also offer a generous commission structure so you can earn a significant income by promoting their products. The benefits of being a Pet Warehouse affiliate include 6.50% commission for every sale, 30-day cookie duration, over 7,000 product lines in stock. Number 9. FitBark Affiliate. If you are an affiliate and looking for dog affiliate programs, then you should try FitBark. FitBark is a perfect choice for dog walkers, trainers, veterinarians, and more. You can earn a huge 12% commission on every sale you refer to fitbark.com. This affiliate program is free to join, and you can start earning commission right away. Also, if you're looking to earn money while promoting a product that helps your pups lead healthier lives, FitBark affiliate program is the answer. The benefits of joining this affiliate program include 12% starting commission, a 60-day cookie duration. The average order size is $100, which means you can earn a $12 commission on an average. Joining this affiliate program is absolutely free. Number 10. Embark Affiliate Program. This is one of the best dog DNA testing services and pet owners can use. Embark can be used to test over 200 genetic health conditions. As an affiliate of Embark, you can start promoting their dog DNA kit starting at $119, and you can earn up to 10% commission on every successful sale. The benefits of this affiliate program include you will get up to 10% commission for every sale and 5% commission for the breed identification kit, 30-day cookie duration, you will get a 1% to 2% base commission for all coupon sites, you will have access to a dedicated in-house program manager. Now you know most of the pet affiliate programs that pay the best. Will you just sit there and allow the money to waste? Which of them are you interested in and why? Drop your comments and answers in the comments section below. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned and informed for the next one.